Hey there, ready to make it incredibly easy for clients to pay you? Accepting credit card payments directly in FreshBooks removes friction and gets you paid faster. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to accept them. You need to enable an online payment gateway. The simplest is FreshBooks Payments. Go to Settings, then Payments, and follow the steps to set it up. You can also integrate third-party gateways like Stripe or PayPal. Once enabled, your invoices will have a Pay Now button. Clients enter their card details on a secure page, and the payment is recorded automatically in FreshBooks. My crucial pro tip: be transparent about payment processing fees. Decide if you'll absorb the credit card fee or pass it on to the client. If you pass it on, clearly communicate this in your payment terms. FreshBooks can add a fee to the invoice total for the client to cover. That's how you offer modern convenience while managing costs. Do you absorb credit card fees or pass them on to your clients? What's your policy? Share below. For more guides on getting paid, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.